everybody. This time I'm going to teach you a new technique. This is called multiple house spreader technique. Here first we keep a domino here and then we keep a domino here. Then we take a domino and we measure it here. And after it's okay with equal length, we can keep the domino above. Then we keep two dominoes here and then we keep the two dominoes again here. We are going to really measure it, or you don't even need to measure it, but if you want it to be nice, you can measure. But if you carefully observe, you see this one is hitting these two at the center. And after that we can build on and on 3, 4, 5, how much ever we want. After that we build 3 and then again 3 and then we can keep on build. So this is called multiple triangle splitter technique. And after we can build the normal domino line. So let's topple it. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Thank you.